Garlic water, a flavorful ingredient that has been cherished for centuries, is not just a culinary delight but also a natural medicine. Garlic, often revered by ancient civilizations for its healing properties, is now gaining renewed recognition for its incredible potential in promoting strength, warding off diseases, and enhancing overall well-being. In this video, we will embark on an enlightening journey as we uncover 11 amazing health benefits of incorporating garlic water into your daily routine. First, allow me to introduce you to the garlic water elixir recipe and the ingredients we'll be working with, which include 3 cloves of garlic, 1 slice of lemon, and 2 cups of warm water. For the preparation method, peel and crush 3 cloves of garlic to release their beneficial compounds. Squeeze the juice from a slice of lemon into 2 cups of warm water. Add the crushed garlic to the lemon-infused warm water. Stir and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the garlic's goodness to infuse. Strain the mixture to remove solid garlic bits, leaving you with a clear, garlic-infused water. Drink it slowly on an empty stomach in the morning. Remember, the information provided here is for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice. 1. Enhancing nerve health. Garlic water is emerging as a promising natural remedy for supporting nerve health and cognitive function. Within garlic lies a valuable component, vitamin B1, also known as lithiamine. What sets lithiamine apart is its unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier and penetrate deep into nerve cells. This makes it a powerful ally in reducing brain fog, fighting anxiety, and addressing neuropathy. Moreover, research suggests that regular consumption of garlic water may help in preventing conditions like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic's potential to inhibit the formation of amyloid plaque in the brain is pivotal in maintaining proper brain function in old age. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and become a part of our family, just click that subscribe button below. 2. Dandruff management. The application of garlic water directly to the scalp is a natural, chemical-free approach to achieving a flake-free and healthy scalp. Garlic and lemon, both rich and powerful ingredients, possess strong antifungal and antimicrobial properties. These properties make them highly effective in combating the microbes responsible for dandruff. When used together, garlic and lemon work synergistically to destroy these troublesome microorganisms, eliminating the root cause of dandruff. Garlic's allicin content, in particular, is known for its antibacterial and antifungal qualities, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy scalp. The simplicity of garlic water application not only tackles dandruff, but also leaves your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. 3. Cancer prevention. Consuming garlic water daily on an empty stomach in the morning can be a proactive step in harnessing the anti-cancer properties of this remarkable ingredient. Garlic is renowned as a potent anti-cancer food due to the presence of bioactive sulfur compounds. Scientific studies have shown that these compounds have the ability to both block and kill existing cancer cells, as well as deter the formation of new cancer cells. Garlic's anti-cancer potential lies in its ability to disrupt various stages of the cancer development process, such as inhibiting the growth of tumors, preventing the spread of cancer, and inducing programmed cell death, apoptosis, in cancer cells. While it's not a standalone cure for cancer, incorporating garlic water into your daily routine can serve as a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. 4. Clot prevention. Drinking garlic water daily on an empty stomach in the morning can be a small yet powerful step towards better health. Garlic, known for its distinct flavor, offers a myriad of health benefits. One of its remarkable effects is its potential to lower blood pressure. This effect is attributed to its ability to increase blood circulation in the body. Garlic contains a compound called agein, which acts as a natural antithrombotic agent, preventing the formation of blood clots. By improving blood flow and reducing the risk of clot formation, garlic plays a pivotal role in maintaining cardiovascular health. 5. Eye protection. Garlic does more than just flavor your meals. It also plays a crucial role in safeguarding your eye health. Its significance lies in the production of glutathione, a potent antioxidant that serves as a guardian for the lenses of your eyes. This protective mechanism helps shield the eyes from oxidative damage and various age-related eye conditions. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you're not only enhancing the taste of your dishes, but also fortifying your eyes with a natural defense, ensuring long-term eye health and clarity. 6. Enhanced immunity. Garlic water is a powerful elixir that can work wonders for your immune system. Garlic contains a wealth of bioactive compounds, such as allicin and sulfur compounds, renowned for their immune-boosting properties. These compounds enhance the production of immune cells, strengthening the body's defense mechanisms against infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of garlic water can significantly improve the resilience of your immune system, helping your body ward off colds, flu, and other common ailments. Furthermore, its antioxidant properties combat free radicals and inflammation, contributing to overall well-being. 7. Healthy skin. The simple addition of garlic to your diet can bring a remarkable transformation to your skin. Allicin, a powerful compound found in garlic, acts as a natural antibacterial agent, effectively combating the bacteria responsible for acne breakouts. Beyond its antibacterial properties, garlic's ability to increase blood circulation is a game-changer for skin health. Enhanced circulation ensures that the skin receives an increased supply of essential nutrients, promoting a healthier complexion. It's a flavorful and natural solution for achieving clearer, more radiant skin. 8. Control blood sugar. Garlic water is emerging as a natural remedy to help control blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition to the arsenal of those managing diabetes or aiming for better blood sugar regulation. Garlic contains bioactive compounds like allicin and allicin, which have been shown to have anti-diabetic properties. These compounds work by increasing insulin sensitivity, thus enhancing the body's ability to effectively use and regulate glucose. Additionally, garlic may stimulate the release of insulin from the pancreas, further aiding in blood sugar control. Regular consumption of garlic water, especially on an empty stomach in the morning, can be a simple yet effective strategy to help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote overall metabolic health. 9. Asthma symptom relief. Regularly incorporating garlic water into your routine can be a natural remedy for alleviating symptoms in asthma patients. This is attributed to a potent compound found in garlic called diallyl disulfide, which exhibits remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Diallyl disulfide works to counteract the effects of pro-inflammatory cytokines in the body, effectively reducing airway inflammation. By embracing garlic water as a part of your asthma management, you can experience relief from asthma symptoms and support better respiratory health. This simple elixir serves as a testament to garlic's multifaceted health benefits, offering a flavorful and holistic approach to respiratory well-being. 10. Combat fungal infections. Garlic's potent antifungal properties, primarily attributed to compounds like agein and allicin, make it an effective natural remedy for combating various fungal infections on the skin. Conditions such as ringworm, athlete's foot, and jock itch can be effectively treated by regularly consuming garlic water. These compounds play a vital role in breaking down and eliminating the fungal culprits, offering a chemical-free and efficient solution to restore healthy, fungal-free skin. 11. Detoxifying benefits. The harmonious combination of garlic, water, and lemon forms a potent elixir known for its detoxifying benefits. This dynamic trio works in synergy to rid the body of toxins and enhance overall well-being. Garlic, renowned for its detox properties, aids in removing unwanted fat, particularly in the liver, which can accumulate due to poor dietary choices and lifestyle factors. By reducing this fat burden, the liver can function more efficiently. Lemon, on the other hand, with its high vitamin C content, supports the liver's natural detoxification processes and helps maintain hormone balance. As a result, the body can effectively regulate hormones, which can have a positive impact on energy levels and mood. Regular consumption of garlic, water, and lemon elixir may lead to increased energy, improved well-being, and a greater sense of vitality. This simple and natural remedy can be a refreshing addition to your daily routine, helping you feel rejuvenated and revitalized from the inside out. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the amazing benefits of eating cloves every day and exploring the incredible advantages of garlic water. We've uncovered the numerous ways these natural ingredients can positively impact your health and well-being. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and as always, stay healthy and informed. We'll see you in the next one.